Good morning. We are continuing class 10 trigonometry exercise 8.4. Question number 4 today. Okay. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Here question number 1 given 9 sec square a minus 10 sec square a equal to. Options are given. Option A 1, option B 9, option C 8, option D 0. So which option is correct? That one to choose. Here justify given. So let me justify. Let me show you here. But one thing remember, in exam justify part will not given. Okay, only the correct option you to choose. If you know the correct answer, directly give number and write the option. All right, but here justify given, so let me justify. Let me show you. Clear, no? So 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a given. First you take 9 common. What will remain? Sec square a minus 10 square a. We have taken 9 common. Okay, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta. Here theta means AA. So sec square theta minus tan square theta. That means sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. Formula is there. 9 1 is 9. So which is the correct option? B. So how that? Therefore the correct option is B 9. Okay. Again listen very carefully. In exam, so if you know the correct option, you will write this one directly, because justify part will not be given. Yeah, justify given, so I have done here. If you want to check in exam, you can check in graph. Okay. Okay. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta equal to what? Options are given: A 0, B 1, C 2, D minus 1. Okay. So justify given. Let me justify. Let me show you here. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay, 1 we express tan theta in terms of sin and cos. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta formula. Similarly here also cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Apply formula. We know that cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, then you take LCM. Cos theta is the LCM. Here no denominator, so cos theta 1 the cos theta, sin will remain, sin theta plus this one will remain. Okay, similarly here also LCM, sin theta, no denominator, that's why sin 1 the sin theta. If you divide this one by this, sin will cancel, cos will remain. Similarly this sin will cancel, 1 will remain. Okay, then multiply sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta. Here we can apply formula like this. Okay, we can make group like this: cos theta plus sin theta plus this 1 into, okay, you can write first cos theta also, no problem, just arranging cos theta plus sin theta, same meaning, this minus 1. Okay, equal to sin theta cos theta will remain as it is, and in the numerator formula will be applicable. Okay, like this: A means sin, cos theta sin theta, A square minus B square formula. Okay, apply formula: A plus B whole square formula, A square plus twice, okay, A means cos theta, B means sin theta, plus of B square, B means sin theta, sin square theta, minus 1 square means 1. Alright, then sin theta cos theta will remain as it is. Arrange sin square theta and cos square theta one side. sin square theta plus this cos square theta. Arranging, this is twice cos theta sin theta. You can write sin theta into cos theta, same meaning, okay, minus this one. Clear now? This one twice cos theta sin theta means twice sin theta cos theta, same meaning. Then sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We know this is the formula. Then twice sin theta cos theta minus this 1. Negative 1 positive 1 cancel. Sin theta into cos theta. Next twice sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta cos theta will cancel, remain 2. So which option is correct? Therefore the correct option is option number C2. Okay. Question number 3. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A equal to. Options are given: A sec A, B sin A, C cosec A, and D cos A. Okay. Justify given, so let me show you the justification part. But remember, again and again I am telling you, if you know the correct option, directly you write the correct option. No need to justify how I am doing now. Okay. In exam, justify part will not come. So choose the correct option given. Number 3, sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A equal to. Options are given. So how to justify? Let me show you. Sec A plus tan A 1 minus sin A. Sec theta or sec A you convert in terms of cos. Sec theta or sec A equal to, know that it is 1 by cos A. Tan theta equal to formula sin theta by cos theta. Here theta means A. Okay. And this will remain as it is, 1 minus sin A. You take LCM now here. LCM will be cos A. Cos A. Cos same will cancel, 1 will remain, plus here sin will remain. Okay, now 1 minus sin A. Cos A will remain as it is in the denominator. Numerator is in the form of A plus B into A minus B form. So it will be A square minus B square. Okay. 1 square means 1. 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta by cos theta means A. Theta means A here. 1 cos will cancel. 1 cos will remain. So which is the correct option? Option number D, cos A. So therefore the correct option is option number D, cos A. Okay. So today's last question. Okay. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal to. Options are given: sec square A, option B minus 1, option C cot square A, option number D tan square A. Okay. So let me justify, let me show you. But again I am telling you, if you know the correct answer, no need to show the justification part. Okay. So 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. We know that 1 plus tan square theta or A, 1 plus tan square A equal to formula sec square A. Okay. 1 plus cot square A equal to cosec square A. Alright. Again you express cosec or and sec in terms of sin and cos. We know that sec theta or sec A equal to 1 by cos theta. Here square, so to write square here. Again cosec square theta equal to, theta means here A. Okay. It will be your sin square theta. Theta means A. Okay, no? So 1 by cos square A. If you convert the divide into multiplication, your sign will go up. Okay, and then 1 will come down like this. Sin square 1 the sin square cos square 1 ja cos square. Clear no? Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, but here it is square, so square you write tan square theta. Here theta means a. All right. So which is the correct option? You see, therefore the correct option is D. Correct option is D, tan square a. Okay. So this is the last question.